Hi everyone. Today we are going to cover the most common resume mistakes which we encounter here at the Engineering Career Service Office upon reviewing an individual's resume, in addition to some suggestions as how you can avoid these mistakes in the future. The first and most general mistake I encounter is regarding formatting. Ensure that your font type and font size is uniform throughout your resume. I prefer Times New Roman and Arial. Font size can range from 10-point font to 12-point font. Furthermore, ensure that your margins are anywhere between 1/2 inch to 1 inch. In this demonstration, I have used 1/2 inch. Notice how it is uniformed from top, bottom, left, and right. This is key. Please reference our Finding Narrow Margins and Creating Smaller Spaces Between Lines video in order to gain an insight into the proper method of formatting margins on Microsoft Word. The second most common mistake is that undergraduate students tend to write more than one page for their resume. Your resume should be confined to one page, which means that you might have to strategically adjust spacing, and as previously mentioned, you may have to decrease font size as little as 10-point font. The next mistake I oftentimes encounter is the incorrect usage of the bold and italicized tools. Typically, you should bold in your name, the headers, the university of attendance, and the place of employment. While I like to italicize the position. However, this is up to your discretion. The correct usage of the bold and italicized tools will allow the reader to follow along more easily, and it will draw attention to certain sections of your resume. The last and arguably most crucial mistake to avoid is the notion that less is more in terms of describing your work and project experiences. Specifically, we want detailed descriptions which include a general project objective, your involvement and role in completing the project, and the technical skills that were used in order to successfully complete the project. Instead of writing descriptions such as worked in a lab, and performed experiments, we want to include detailed descriptions, such as this one. Notice the general objective listed here with detail, in addition to the technical experiences that I've highlighted here. These kinds of descriptions will allow employers to develop a stronger sense of your experiences and the magnitude of your work. In conclusion, these are the common mistakes we encounter at the Engineering Career Service Office and ways you can avoid it in the future. Thank you and have a nice day.